YouTube is a great platform to show your talents and even get paid for doing it. So in this article, we are going to discuss YouTube hashtags and keywords. YouTube is a great platform to show your talents and even get paid for doing it. So in this article, we are going to discuss YouTube hashtags and keywords. You will also get the best trending YouTube hashtags that will boost your views. Let's face it, being a YouTuber is hard. It drains you mentally and physically. But, unfortunately, it is not as easy, and there is always a new challenge that you face. So, one of my friends was trying to improve his YouTube channel. Initially, he had only 6 subscribers. The task was to understand what is lacking, as he was quite consistent in sharing content and posting new videos. This is one of the common problems faced by many of us. Learn how to overcome this, spot problems, and increase views and followers on your channel. We did some studies and research work on the same and concluded that what not to do is equally important to what to do.